Kezia wa Kariuki riu ni akahingura ruhonge rweru rwa cukuru yake ya Kez College of Beauty mwena wa Kaha West muthenya wa Saturday. Kumenyithia ati ungikorwo wina kindu uraruguria no tukorwo ugituhurira thimu kugerera namba ya thimu 0798 36 2463 tugukorwo tugutangathira guko kwa Mwangi wa mohoro na nigetha ukorwo ukimenyeka zaidi na thukuru yako ikorwo ikihotana zaidi na arutwo makorwo makimenya maundu maria uragikorwo ukiofa thukuru-ini waku. Muthenya ucio ni akaheana 10 scholarship kuri arutwo 10 aria magekinya kiruguru-ini giki. Oho nguririkania gati ni muthenya wa Saturday kuria arutwo makiria igana rimwe a ruhonge rwa Kahawa Sukari ni makaigirirwo thumbi muthenya ucio thutha wa kurikia mathomo mao ma beauty. Congratulations Kezia wa Kariuki. Akenya mwena wa comment section makorwo makiandithiria mundu gwitwo Kezia wa Kariuki, angi makiuga ati ni meguthie thukuru-ini ino yake kwa mo promote na Kate Blessing I love this girl, keep shining. Na Nancy Mungi akawa congratulations, keep it up, good work madam. Na Joy Asha akawa boss moves kore akoge no sirokiaba anyway, may the best Kinesh win. Na Rusi Nandi akawa Eddie Derito knows the best. And Rusi Wange Sheka wa keep winning Kezia, you are very humble lady, may God keep blessing you. And Esther Kimani akawa good one, congratulations to her. And Nesita Kinjo akawa this mama is so humble. Na Michael Mwangi akawa ni mahali ya hikagio tiho egowaga, may God bless work of your hand. Enoge aikoro agikia muho wake tishiro shesha akawa kafa wako wa Kezia wa Kariuki, congratulations to you and your accomplishment. And Aurora Angelo akawa congratulations to her. And Richard Guri akawa congratulations Madam Kezia, we are proud of you, may God bless you. And Charles Dagana akawa is it a certified college? Yes, it is a certified college, that is Kezi Beauty huko Kahawa Sukari. Na mugagikorwo mugikinyia kuo muthenya wa Saturday arutwo a mbere 10 magakorwo makiheo scholarship na nigugakorwo graduate arutwo makiria ya igana rimwe aria magakorwo graduate from Kezi Beauty College Kahawa Sukari. Guku ni kwa Mwangi wa mohoro ni no nguhe na gitio kinene uko gito follow mweno wa TikTok no uko subscribe thini wa channel ino itu ya Mwangi wa mohoro.